How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be mail call, buddy build update, and well wishes to Charlie. Okay, with that being said, before I get this video started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free, don't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, thumbs up, thumbs down, up, whatever makes your world go around, guys. I try to listen to all comments. I try to answer all comments. And I always leave anybody I mention in the description, anybody I mention in this video, I'll have a link in the description to their channels. And I also always leave my Gmail in the description of this video or any of my videos. That way if you need to contact me. Alright, so with that being said, today's video we'll start it off with a mail call. And I got Brandon White from Mile High Modeler. I got your trade today. Me and Brandon did a trade, and I traded him a Johan turbine car. I have 4 of them. I traded him 1 of them, and I wanted this old kit. The box is rough, but it's a good old MPC kit, 120 scale. And the reason why this kit right here is so special to me is my mom had a Corvette when we was growing up in the 70s. My mom loved Corvettes. She's always buying me Corvette models. Well, as you know, Big Charlie from Charlie's Model Car Garage, he's lost his mama, and he just lost his mama. Charlie, I know how you feel, brother. I lost my mom 2 years ago, and it's very hard. And prayers go out to you, brother. And so when I seen this video, and I'm not going to do an unboxing of this video, y'all go to Brandon's channel. At the Mile High Modeler, and check his video out, and the description will be below. He did an unboxing of this video, or this kit, and it's the MPC 70.5 Corvette, and that's where I seen it. I contacted him and said, "Hey Brandon, you care to get rid of that Corvette?" He said, "I want it," and because he didn't act like he's really interested in building it, and he says, "Yeah, I'd do that." I said, "Well, I'll buy it or trade, whatever you want to do." And he says, "Well, I think I might want to do some trading." And he says, "I know you got a lot of kits." I said, "Oh yeah." And so we come to agreement what kit we wanted to trade, and the kit's never been built, so y'all check out his video of the unboxing. There's no sense of me doing it, he already did it, but I will show you this sexy little body here. You just don't get no better than that right there. Oh my god. Yes, I'm a Corvette lover. A lot of people don't love Corvettes. Well, Corvettes have a sentimental place in my heart for me. I grew up in Corvettes. Me and my little brother, we get right here in this little cubby hole right there, right behind the seat. There's no back seat, of course. And dude, best feeling ever when you're a kid. Corvette, oh my god. But when I do build that, that will be a tribute to my mama. And with that being said, Charlie, we love you, brother. Praying for you. We know how it feels. Alright, so we got that out of the way, guys. Let's get started on this. I'll show you what I've gotten done so far. This is the build that me and Justin from J Hart Model Works is doing. And this is our second buddy build. And we're both doing the Nissan FAIRLADY's 240ZGs. The TAMIYA kits with engine. Thank God. Y'all heard my little rant before. I hate to be like that. I just do that sometimes. I get on a rant. But we're building these kits. And Justin's been sending me pictures. I need to send him pictures of what I've gotten done. Matter of fact, I'll probably do it before this video comes out. But I'm fixing to shut my mouth, turn around, and show you what I've gotten done. Here we go, guys. The Nissan FAIRLADY 240ZG. Boom. 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 Box color. Box art. Box art. There is the TAMIYA TS11 maroon. That will be the color. It still needs to be wet sanded and clear coated with the what is that, TS13, whatever the hell the clear coat is. And here is the engine. The parts that will be aluminum. Now the engine block will be painted blue. That's what color the engine blocks were. The head was aluminum, transmission aluminum, but the engine block will be painted blue. I have the valve cover painted in a chrome, silver, metallic, whatever, just like they had. Here is the little air breather painted gloss red. Disc brakes will be painted. They're not painted yet, but the calipers, or the calipers will be painted. The disc brakes have been painted silver. Here is the bottom of the chassis, the engine bay, that TS11 maroon. And then this was painted black, so when the interior thing sets there, you'll see right there. So that's what I've gotten done. I've gotten all the spoilers and the fender flares, all that stuff is painted in the old kind of a gunmetal color it's supposed to be. The back what do you call that? Tail light surround, valance, whatever that thing's called, in the gunmetal. The wheel, it's a 4-piece wheel. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 4-piece with the little chrome rim. So painted the gunmetal, and then the wheels are painted gunmetal. If you can look here, you can see through the wheels. I took the time to drill out every one of those holes. Guys, it don't come with the holes drilled out. So therefore, I took the time. You know, TAMIYA made a 4-piece wheel, did all that detail, but then you couldn't see through the wheel to, you know, like you want to see the rotor back there, you know, you want to see it, you know. You want to see the back drum. See the back drums right there? I painted them aluminum. You'd like to see those through the wheel. So I took the time to do that, guys. Like I said, that kit don't come like that. I got the rear end painted. It's got to be, it's a aluminum color. It's got to be, everything's still got to be brush painted, but you can see that's pretty much, I mean, I got all the little brush painting done, or all the little spray painting done. You know, I got the semi-gloss for the oil pan, just all kinds of stuff. I still got to detail up, but I got the carburetors. The dual SU carburetors, I got them painted, and then they'll have to be detail painted. Seats, of course, I got them painted up. Really, guys, there really ain't much to tell you here. This is as far as I got on my update. All the spray painting stuff's done, other than wet sand that body and clear coat it. Then I will wire the engine up. Of course, I got to do all the brush painting that I do and everything. But pretty much, I think that's about it, guys. I mean, nothing else really to show you. All right, I'm fixing to sneeze. My allergies been killing me, guys. Yes, I don't edit nothing out, so y'all get that for free. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Please pray for Charlie in his time of loss. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.